guys, Scarlett Build Across here, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this paint by line grill cutout. I'm going to go in with Barn Red and paint the edges. I'm just going over those stars because it'll be easier to go in later and go back over those. I'm going to add that to the bottom part of my flames. Then I'm going to go in with Florida Orange, and don't be intimidated by blending where the two colors meet. Just blend it with your brush. If it dries out, add a little water to your brush. And then I'm going to use Colonel Mustard for the top of my flames. All the colors that I use are Dixie Belle chalk paint and available online at buildacross.com. And then I used Savannah Mist to paint my grill and my spatula, and then I'm going in and drying everything a little bit so that I can go on to my next step. I'm going to begin to go in with Cobalt Blue, and that is what I'm going to use to paint the background behind my grill. And I'll also use it for the little banner that's on my grill, and I'm just going to cover up those letters because I'll go in a minute and paint around them white. And the white that I'm using is cotton, and just make sure that blue is dry so that the paint doesn't smear together. And I'm also using cotton for my stars. And then once everything's dry, I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker to outline. You could choose to go in with paint, and I would recommend a number 4 round and just some acrylic black paint. Just something a little bit more watered down, nothing too thick, because that'll help your brush strokes to be smoother. Once I'm done outlining, I will highlight everything with cotton, and then that'll complete my project, guys. Very simple. All of my paint by lines, I say base coat, outline, highlight. Done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.